Do something. Do something. This is Johnny Samoa. We cannot force the people to do something. We can only encourage them. Listen, I'm just looking at some of the results here, and social media seems to be taking over the world. Yep. Don't just sit and wait. Waiting is not a good thing. Oh, sit up, man.
Sorry,
Don't you
man.
talk like that.
I had a hard night last night.
I'm sick of you talking like that. You said one more word, and I'll get up. Yeah, just what I thought. Don't you ever talk like that. When the boss is speaking, you keep your mouth shut. You too.
Dude, I know it's a
Yeah.
You don't have to go off
I know.
like that.
People will always try to do that when you are trying to rise. But let's not forget, the more they try to pull you down, the more we must fight back.
Yeah, all these
Yeah.
people keep
Do something.
complaining about no money, no nothing.
Do something,
And what are
do
they
something,
doing?
do something,
Nothing, man. They are just waiting and waiting.
Some people look at us and they think we are stupid.
Some people will
But
see it
we
that
must
way.
say, the more they think we are stupid, the more stupid they are. Because at the end of the day, we are getting money from being stupid. What are you doing? People don't
Do
realize
something.
how powerful
Do something.
YouTube is. With the millions and millions of people watching YouTube, they are making money from the people they are watching on YouTube.
Do something. Many people are not doing
So
anything.
they can ha ha ha, hoo hoo hoo, ha 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 at the video they are watching. But they don't realize that the
Do
power
something.
of YouTube is within their reach.
That's right.
You know, social media is like magic. We need to capture that. We are the generation. Spread it. Let the people. Because, 1, 2, we must do what we do. And at the end of the day, it's up to you. Do
We
something.
don't know.
Whatever.
Does not matter how good of a product or shop or whatever you are got going.
If nobody knows about it, it ain't shit. We must remember what Abraham Lincoln said. Things will come to those who wait, but only things left by those who hustle. Now ask ourselves, are we waiting or are we hustling? Do something, my friends. Do something. Do something. I don't care what you do, but do something. Do something.